Well, because this shithole is a shithole, it's terrible, and the universe loves irony or whatever. The way I get to celebrate my 40th birthday today, I shit you not, it's like it's perfectly timed, you know? Perfectly timed. So I've been complaining about the LEDs everywhere, and mine was in front of my house, the only one that hasn't been changed out. Well, guess what changed on my birthday? Hooray! We have these fucking things here. So these are absolutely horrible. They obviously don't have a shield on them. It's going to be bright white like everywhere else. And yeah, happy fucking birthday to me. You know? So this is something to look forward to. But you know, now that the Band-Aid has been ripped off, and you know, it's terrible everywhere. I don't know. The damage is yet to be seen as to how badly, because that's the bedroom, right? How bad it's going to be in there, and you know, it's just awful. Every time you leave here, you're going to be able to see the awful white light blasting into your retinas. I didn't even see them put it up. I was hearing some noise from maybe a cherry picker truck or something. I don't know. It wasn't a leaf blower. And I look out, I'm like, oh, they just replaced it. Okay. They just replaced it. So, you know, it's funny. I did a little video last night, right around midnight, as it turned into a new day. I'll be uploading that soon as well. But I guess this is. Oh, thankfully, neighbor over here has a little tree. Hopefully, that grows a little more, but that's taken forever to grow. So, hopefully, there's enough trees in the way. But I know that even with the what do you call it? Even with the orange stuff, it did shine through the top over there, but it's just, you know. And then of course over here, you know, is it's nice windows, and it's like, yeah, that's nice. And then the whole fucking house is blasted. Now, there might be enough things in the way. Who knows? You know, and it's just so awful. Again, nobody was asked about these things. And they tell you go fuck yourself. But, you know, I think letting out our frustration by, you know, just contacting everybody at City Hall or whatever it's called until I get a fucking answer about these things. Put a fucking shield on it. Take it down even better, but it's just so awful. Nobody asked for this. Nobody was consulted. Just fuck you. So, happy birthday to me, and I get to celebrate with this piece of shit here. So, anyways, that's it for now. So another birthday bonus is when they're not busy installing new LED lights in front of my house and the bedroom and the entryway windows. They're also busy leaf blowing. So on my birthday, I was just about to go out and do some sunbathing and leaf blowing. So that's also fun, 2 doors down with the new LED lights. Just wonderful. It just keeps getting better today, you know?